I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm Workbench version and that you have import permissions. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open the import dialog and choose the source type, CSV or TSV, because format dictates parsing. Make sure your file is UTF-8 encoded and has a single header row. This ensures fields align. As you pick the file, mentally map columns to destination fields so you can set mappings quickly in the next step. Now you'll handle mappings and import options. If headers match, use automatic mapping to save time. If not, drag each source column to its destination to prevent misplacement. Next, specify data types, date formats, numeric locale, and any default values because these control parsing and downstream behavior. Preview a sample of rows, 50 to 200, to verify transformations. Make sure validation rules are active, so execute carefully. Run a small test import first to confirm results, then proceed with the full import once satisfied. After completion, verify record counts, key fields, and sample rows to ensure integrity. Review import logs for warnings and errors. They tell you which rows failed and why. If something goes wrong, stop and either rerun with diagnostics enabled or roll back the transaction and correct the source file, fixing headers, types, or malformed rows, so the subsequent import succeeds cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.